You don't have time to learn English. Or at least, that's what you think. Because the problem is not your time. It's something else. And here's the part most people never realize. And if this feels different, just keep listening. Think about your day. You wake up, you check your phone, you go to work, you get tired, and at the end of the day, you tell yourself, I'll learn English later. But later never really comes. Maybe you've said this before, and it feels true. I used to feel the same way, always thinking I needed more time. But I didn't. So the question is not, do you have time? The real question is, how are you using the time you already have? Because what if you didn't need extra time? What if it's already inside your day? And that's where everything starts to change. But not in the way you expect. Hello, and welcome to English Journey, where you don't just learn English, you live it, step by step, every day. And today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. So let's start with the easiest step, listening. Not like studying, but like background sound. While you drive, while you walk, while you scroll on your phone. Just listen. And at first, you may not understand much, but that's okay. Because even if you understand only a little, your brain is learning. And this is where something important happens. Listening trains your ears. But your ears alone are not enough. At some point, you need to use your voice. And that's exactly where we go next. Because this is where most learners get stuck. Because now we move from listening to speaking. And we do that with something simple. This is called shadowing. A simple but powerful technique. Wait, most people do this wrong. They listen, but they don't repeat. And that's why they stay stuck. You listen and you repeat at the same time. No translating, no overthinking, just copying the sound. And the more you do it, the more natural it feels. So let's try it together. I'm improving every day. Now you repeat after me. I'm improving every day. Good. I keep going. Now you repeat after me. I keep going. Again. I keep going. Good. If this is helping you, you can subscribe so you don't miss the next steps. And just like that, you're no longer just listening, you're speaking. And once you start speaking, even in a simple way, something changes. You feel more confident, more comfortable, more connected to the language. And that's when you're ready for the next step. Because English should not stay inside a video. It should move with you into your real life. So instead of practicing only here, start using it during your day. When you wake up, say something simple, like, it's morning, I feel tired. When you work, I have a lot to do today. When you relax, I just want to rest. These are small sentences, but they are real. And real English is what builds fluency. And the more you use it, the more natural it becomes. So now, before you leave, let's do one last thing. Look around you and say one sentence in English. Anything. I'm sitting. I'm watching this. I feel a little tired. That's it. You just practiced English right now. And this is how it begins. Not later, not tomorrow, now. So keep going, one small step at a time. Because this is your English journey. And now, it has already started. And if you want to keep improving, subscribe and continue this journey with me. Bye.